Ovulation. Every month, a remarkable biological event begins. During ovulation, a mature egg is released from the ovary and gently enters the fallopian tube, where it waits for fertilization. Union of sperm and egg. Millions of sperm begin a challenging journey, but only one succeeds. When a single sperm penetrates the egg, fertilization occurs, and genetic material from both parents combines to create new life. Mitosis. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, immediately begins dividing through a process known as mitosis. These rapid cell divisions allow life to grow without increasing in overall size. Blastocyst. As cell division continues, the developing embryo forms a structure called a blastocyst. This hollow ball of cells travels through the fallopian tube toward the uterus, preparing for the next crucial step. Implantation. Upon reaching the uterus, the blastocyst attaches itself to the uterine lining. This process, called implantation, allows the embryo to receive nutrients and marks the beginning of pregnancy. Next video. This is just the beginning of an extraordinary journey. Watch the next video to explore how the embryo continues to grow and develop into a fetus.